One of the most common things we get asked about SumoSprings is the meaning of the colors and why it makes a difference to the application. This video will explain those differences and help you buy the right setup for your vehicle. Hi, I'm Adam, Chief Commercial Officer at SumoSprings International, and I'm going to explain the difference in the colors of the SumoSprings and give you a better idea of which one to buy. So SumoSprings are not rubber. They're handmade from a micro-cellular polyurethane here in the United States that will never require any maintenance, and they come with a lifetime warranty. Because they're not rubber, they perform differently, meaning instead of a harsh bump stop, they're a progressive spring that provides support when you need it, and they let you enjoy your factory ride quality when you don't. That's why we use the term density when talking about SumoSprings, not durometer, which is more commonly used when talking about rubber. So we manufacture 3 colors of our SumoSprings: blue, black, and yellow. And those colors really signify the difference in the density of the spring. The blue is our lightest density, the black is our medium density, and the yellow is our heaviest density SumoSpring. You might have also seen the part number endings, 40, 47, and 54. Those are always related to the colors. So the blue SumoSpring part numbers end in -40, the black end in -47, and the yellow end in -54. So what does density mean? Well, during the manufacturing process, we carefully trap air pockets in the material to create a progressive nature in the spring. Each color traps a different number of air pockets, and that's what creates lighter or heavier densities that allows us to add or reduce load capacity. It's a really important part of choosing the right color SumoSpring for your vehicle. In this case, bigger doesn't always mean better. You could pick a SumoSpring with a higher density load support, but it could really negatively affect your unloaded ride quality. So it's important to get the right one based on your setup, your vehicle, your lifestyle, the way you intend to use it. Now it's time to choose your SumoSprings kits. You've probably seen a lot of our content across the internet showing our blue SumoSprings, and that's because it's the most common density in our applications. The reason for that is it provides really good support, reduces vibration, fixes sagging and body roll, and it doesn't impact your unloaded ride. And that's really the key here, unloaded versus loaded. If your vehicle's constantly loaded, like a built-out van or a truck with a camper on it full time, then you're probably going to want to go with a higher density like black or yellow for the additional support as well as the vibration reduction. On the other hand, if you're a weekend warrior like me, you're towing a camping trailer behind a truck, blue's always the way to go because it gives you all the support you need and the control that you need without affecting your factory ride quality when you're doing your daily driving. I hope this video helps clarify what the colors and densities of our SumoSprings mean. Be on the lookout for more videos in this learning series as we answer more of your questions. And as always, we encourage you to reach out, call us, chat on our website, or reach out to us on social media with any questions.